Consider this. How cool would it be to be paid to listen to music on your smartphone or computer? It makes no difference what device you're using right now. You'll still be paid to listen to music. This revolutionary new method is now available worldwide. This is possible from anywhere in the world, including India, the United States, the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Bangladesh, and others. One of the simplest ways to make money online is demonstrated in this video, where I teach you how to earn $320 for listening to 10 songs. What is the proper method? We'll soon learn. This is a method for working online while enjoying music. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money and get paid by simply listening to music like this one, as well as all of these songs right here. Imagine how much money you'll make from all of these songs. All of the rates ranging from this amount to this amount are listed directly over here. I notice people from all over the world are making money from pages and pages of content as I scroll down. So how much money can you make using this method? A 10-song listening session costs $320. By listening to 20 tracks, you can earn $640, which is twice as much as the previous song. Furthermore, listening to 50 songs can earn you $1,600. The best part is that you can do it on your computer or your mobile device. There's also no need to spend any money because it's completely free. This innovative method is ideal for beginners. Watch the entire video because I'll give you a slew of exclusive bonus tips that will allow you to earn twice as much as others. So keep an eye out for those bonus tips because they will be very useful to you. Consider this novel strategy first. To begin with, go to mixkit.co. This website offers a large selection of free stock music, as well as the opportunity to earn money simply by listening to it. Hundreds of songs are available for free download via computer or mobile device, as you can see. Please pay attention as I give you the first bonus tip. Go to mixkit.co's homepage and select the genre. You can listen to and download a variety of copyright-free music. Because hip-hop and acoustic music are currently the most popular genres, I'd like to focus on them in this video. Let's move on to the next stage after deciding on a genre. Please pay close attention because this stage is also critical if you want to maximize the benefits of this revolutionary new technique. The next step requires you to visit upload-forever.com. If you're not familiar with what this website does, let me explain. Simply put, you can post files straight to our website and receive cash using the payment method of your choice when someone downloads them. Isn't that amazing? This groundbreaking technique could help you make a significant online income. Return to mixkit.co to download a free song, then go to post-forever.com and immediately upload the music to earn money with this brand new technique. You can earn money when someone downloads the song from this website, depending on how much you want to make. In a moment, I'll show you how. As you can see, you are entitled to your entire earnings. The best part is that they accept a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, Payeer, Perfect Money, and any cryptocurrency you want to use are all accepted. However, please leave a comment below indicating your preferred payment method. I also plan on making some videos about it. If you have an Android phone, search for the app Up-Forever in the Google Play Store. The app can then be downloaded for free onto your smartphone. I'll now walk you through the entire sign-up procedure. I want you to pay close attention because skipping this step could be tricky. So if you go to upload-forever.com, I want you to click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to this page where you can register for free. So right now, you must enter your username, password, email address, and preferred payment method. As for me, I prefer PayPal, so please find my PayPal email address below. Check the I'm not a robot box before clicking the Sign Up button. Isn't that self-explanatory? If you missed it the first time, you can watch it again. You can now access your new upload-forever.com account after registering. This is your personal dashboard. Examine the instrument panel. Moving on, please click this Upload Files button right here. This will then take you to this page where you can begin uploading your Mixkit.co songs. Following that, you will be able to begin receiving payments. Another critical step is to make certain that you do not upload any files that violate their terms of service. So if you want to make money with this website, make sure you follow all of their guidelines. Also, if you're having trouble uploading on this website, make sure your ad block is turned off. Moving on, I'll walk you through the process of uploading music to this website from Mixkit.co. Simply browse Mixkit.co for a good hip-hop or acoustic song. You can look through all of these song collections, which are all available for free download. By clicking here, you can listen to a preview of the song you want to download. So here's the song title, and here's the artist. If you like this song, simply click the download button. As you can see, you can save it to your computer, laptop, or even your mobile phone. The best part is that no account is required to download. Isn't that incredible? Before we continue, it should be noted that only a small portion of the viewers of my videos actually subscribe. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing with notifications enabled. It's free and you can always change your mind afterwards, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. I naturally earn the most money as a result. Now, let's return to the video. You must return to upload-forever.com after downloading the song. Select Upload Files from the dashboard. This will take you to the following page, where you can now upload the song. The next step is to choose the file to upload. In my case, I'll upload the song I downloaded previously right here. As you can see, they will display the file size. Another important point to remember is to make your file public. Others can then pay you to download their files. Make a note of the title of the song and the artist name for the description. Return to the first website and copy the title and artist for this page. When you're finished, simply click the Start Upload button to have the song uploaded to this website. Return to the homepage and click the My Files link once your file has been uploaded. You can view the files you've already uploaded in this section. The file's name, as well as its size, can be found here. On this page, you can also see how many people have downloaded your file. Because we just uploaded the song, it's still 0. You can also set the price for the song on this page, based on how much money you want to make. Simply click on this green icon to go to the price setting page. Simply enter the amount to be paid. For my part, I'll simply type this price because I believe it is adequate. Then at the bottom, click the Submit button. That is all you have to do to profit from this website. Always make your files public so that others can download them. Then don't forget to set a price for each download so that you can be compensated. To earn more money, simply repeat the entire process again and again. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.